kinds of MIMO, what is the reason or what is the benefit of MIMO. So here if you see, receive diversity uses multiple antenna on the receiving side. So like say in a phone, if it has two antennas, and then the base station transmits the same data over one single antenna. And this is the free space, which means once it transmits, the two antennas on the phone, they receive data. So once they receive data, now I have a choice. So I have two antennas, A and B, and then the signal, received signal is something like this. On antenna A, I receive the blue signal. Antenna B, the red signal. So now the receiver has two options. One is I can take the receiver, the signal from one of these antenna, whichever is better. So I just choose, like say for example, this blue signal antenna A is better. Then I just take the signals from antenna A. Whatever comes on antenna B, I just discard, throw it away. Likewise, another option is maximum ratio combining. So this is called a switch diversity, which means the receiver will take either one of these antennas, either signal A or signal B. And then the other way is I can combine these two signals to have a better signal to noise ratio, higher signal to noise ratio. Two ways. And then transmit diversity is the same data. The same data is transmitted over multiple antennas. Antenna 1, antenna 2, so the same data. So it is like I'm repeating the same data on two antennas, sending the same data two times. Like say for example, I'm repeating the same sentence twice. My name is Mahesh. My name is Mahesh. Say for example, if you lose one of the sentence, you still have some redundant data to decode. So this is the benefit. And then we have the multi-input, multi-output, the spatial multiplexing, which means multiple antennas on the transmitter side, then it's transmitted, and on the receiver also you have multiple antennas. So multiple input to the channel, so this is the free space channel, and then multiple output, multiple input, multiple output, it's called spatial multiplexing. So spatial multiplexing, here the two data is different. So the data sent on antenna 1 is completely different than data sent on antenna 2. So thereby the throughput increases nearly 2 times. Throughput double when you use spatial multiplexing. So this is higher capacity without adding more spectrum, more frequency band. So with this, maybe I jump into. So here you can see the data rate achieved for 11N, 11N, and then also AC. 11N and AC. Today we already have this technologies using MIMO, and then going forward is already in these technologies you have, let's say, if you are using 2 times antenna, 3 antennas, 4 antennas. So normally if you see the access points today, it comes with 2 or 3 antennas, 2 cross 2 or 3 cross 3 MIMO. So this is a router from ASUS. So this router, it operates in 5 GHz band. It is using 20 MHz bandwidth or 40 MHz bandwidth, 2 cross 2 or 3 cross 3, 2 cross 2, 3 cross 3. The different data rate what you achieve for downlink and so this is some information. Now coming to how to measure MIMO. So to measure MIMO, we have different tools. So maybe for MIMO, set multiple input. So this is MIMO. MIMO is used in all this 11N, 11AC, and also going forward in 11AX. So now for test and measurement perspective. So from R&S, what we have, these generators, so signal generators, which can generate like IEEE 11N, A, B, G, N, C, and also AX. So this one is the newest edition. So here we have signal generators which can generate 2 antennas, 4 antennas. So which can generate the generation part, transmitter part. So this signal will be given to some devices, like say the phone or maybe the laptops. So then you can do some measurements. So what kind of measurements? So these signals are given to the, so here you have a signal generator. So you generate a signal, give it to the receiver. So this is your device under test. So maybe this has multiple antennas, antenna 1 and antenna 2, or maybe more. So then you can generate the antenna 1 signal, antenna 2 signals, and then give it to the receivers. So this is the signal generator part. So for signal generators, we have different models. So SNW 200A is one model. And also we have different models. So this is, like say for example, I'll view one model. So this is on the generator part. To test the receiver of the device. So the other part is, now the device also has transmitter. So how to analyze the signals transmitted from the device. So the phone transmits. So for that you need spectrum analyzer. So here you have the device under test. Whatever you are developing or you are doing, designing. So this has multiple antennas. Antenna 1, antenna 2. Then you need a spectrum analyzer wherein you give the signal to the spectrum analyzer to measure. So what you measure, maybe the power, and then modulation characteristics like dBm, error vector magnitude, magnitude error, say for example frequency error, and then spectrum measurement, so this is about spectrum measurements. So this is for transmitter, AX measurements. And then you need a generator for receiver measurements. So likewise, here we have one product called as the radiocomm tester. is CMW 100. So CMW is so here you have signal generator, spectrum analyzer. We have the third category of instruments is called Radiocom testers. So Radiocom tester, radio communication tester. So this tester is like, say you have a base station and then you have a phone or laptop or some device, and here you have the base station or maybe access point. So this device, Radiocom tester or the CMW platform, is here we have spectrum analyzer, for example, FSW. So the CMW family is something which would simulate a base station or an access point. So this will simulate like a base station. Let's say you have different network operators, Telecom, XL, or like that. So instead of Telecom, XL network base station, so the CMW, so this box will act as a base station. So it will be a base station on your table in the lab, and then you can connect the phone with MIMO, which supports MIMO, and then you can do all those measurements for WLAN IEEE, WLAN 802.11, and AC, AX, and so on.
Can you go to the presentation?
You have any slides?
So many times.